Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G62 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome. Now let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the history. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites. Of course, if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if in your case this list is so wide and if you'd like to remove some advanced browsing data, then simply tap on clear browsing data here. And as you can see, we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics, we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So let me mark everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks. So if you are ready, tap on clear data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed all saved data. So basically that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your Motorola Moto G62. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.